In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Evernote notebooks, a skill that can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your note-taking process. At the heart of staying organized in Evernote is ensuring your notebooks represent broad, meaningful categories. Imagine you're sorting a bookshelf. You wouldn't want to have a shelf for every specific book, but rather, you'd group them by genre or author. In the same vein, your Evernote notebooks should reflect broad categories that align with your life, such as work projects, travel, or receipts. By doing this, you not only keep your workspace tidy, but also make it much easier to locate specific notes when needed. For instance, when handling work-related notes, you might create a notebook simply titled Work Projects. This can then house all notes related to specific tasks or assignments you're involved with. Now let's dive deeper into using stacks, a powerful feature in Evernote that takes your organization to the next level. Stacks allow you to group related notebooks together under one umbrella, much like subfolders on your computer. This is particularly useful for broader categories like work, where you might have multiple projects running concurrently. To create a stack, all you need to do is navigate to the sidebar in Evernote. Then, simply drag one notebook onto another. This automatically creates a stack, making it easier to keep related notebooks together. For instance, within your newly created work stack, you could include notebooks like Project A, Meeting Notes, or Reports. It's a straightforward drag-and-drop process that can greatly enhance your organization. The beauty of using stacks is how customizable they are to fit your personal needs. If you travel frequently, consider creating a travel stack that could contain notebooks dedicated to specific trips, packing lists, and itineraries. This way, whether you're revisiting memories from your last vacation or planning a new adventure, all the information you need is conveniently grouped together. Similarly, a stack for personal finances might include notebooks for receipts, budgeting, and bills. It helps create a more structured way to manage various aspects of your life, ensuring that nothing gets lost in the shuffle. As you start setting up your notebooks and stacks, remember the goal is not just to organize in the moment, but to create a system that supports your workflow long-term. Regularly reviewing and updating your notebooks and stacks is crucial. As your projects evolve, so should your notebooks. Remove outdated notes and ensure your categories remain relevant to your current needs. This practice not only keeps your digital workspace organized, but also improves your efficiency, as you spend less time searching for what you need and more time being productive. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to get your Evernote notebooks organized. Try these tips and enjoy a more streamlined, effective note-taking experience.